Hey, hello, welcome. Um, my name is Abhishek of Triple A section. Here I am going to speak about evolution of the year. Okay. 12. Do you all remember that year? We all are panicked that December will get destroyed completely the lives in the world by having some tsunami of huge wave or a piece of a sun falling on the earth to destroy all the life of the world. Some of us had these feelings too strongly that we skipped our homeworks and had this reason in our mind. Unfortunately, we we have passed through it. 2020, and now we are in real danger that may endanger the whole life. Um, oops. Only the human race from this world to make the earth more peaceful to live. Uh, but um, but we get one thing straightly: change is the only constant occurs, said by Galileo. The change occurs to us. This bring me to this topic: the evolution of next generation. Split the places. Um, Evolution can be in physically, mentally, or socially, etc., etc. But physically is the only thing that will happen. Okay, sounds like a doctor, but that's the truth. Going to the next generation. Let's see how humans look like in 1,000 years. Excited? Not much. Okay, we will proceed.
What humans will look like in 1,000 years. Humans are still evolving, so where will evolution take us in 1,000 years? Chances are we'll be taller. Humans have already seen a boom in height over the last 130 years. In 1880, the average American male was 5'7". Today, he's 5'10". We may also merge with machines that can enhance our hearing, eyesight, health, and much more. Right now, there are hearing aids that let you record sounds, generate white noise, and even come with a built-in phone. Another example is a team out of the University of Oregon, which is developing bionic eyes that help the blind to see. But it's not impossible to imagine that this technology could become a tool for seeing what we currently consider invisible, like different energies of light such as infrared and X-rays. There will eventually be a day where prosthetics are no longer just for the disabled. However, it's not just our outside appearance that will change. Our genes will also evolve on microscopic levels to aid our survival. For example, an Oxford-led study discovered a group of HIV-infected children in South Africa living healthy lives. It turns out they have a built-in defense against HIV that prevents the virus from advancing to AIDS. And with gene editing tools like CRISPR, we may eventually control our genes and DNA to the point where we make ourselves immune to disease and even reverse the effects of aging. Another way to jumpstart the human evolution on a different path is to move some of us to Mars. Mars receives 66% less sunlight than Earth, which can mean humans on Mars will evolve larger pupils that can absorb more light in order to see. And since Mars's gravitational pull is only 38% of Earth's, people born on Mars might actually be taller than anyone on Earth. In space, the fluid that separates our vertebrae expands, which led American aerospace engineer Robert Zubrin to suggest that Mars's low gravity could allow the human spine to elongate enough to add a few extra inches to our height. However, not even a move to Mars could spark the biggest change in human evolution that we may have coming in the next 1,000 years: immortality. The path to immortality will likely require humans to download their consciousness into a machine. Right now, scientists in Italy and China are performing head transplants on animals to determine if you can transfer consciousness from one body to another. They claim their next big step is to transplant human heads. Whatever happens in the next 1,000 years, whether we merge with machines or become them, one thing is certain: the human race is always changing, and the faster we change and branch out from Earth, the better chance we have of outrunning extinction.
Hope you all seen the full video. Thank you so much for cooperating with me. As my part, technology grows and human grows, we are going to run along with that. So we have to be prepared. That's all our one part. But remember that life is once for all. So live happily, stressfully, sorry, stresslessly, and um, live as your wish. Okay. Thank you so much.